What is up, guys? I'm Neal Jolly and welcome inside Jolly Studios, where we talk about everything cameras to sneakers. And today we're talking about the Jordan 1 Low Shadow. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel and checking out today's video. I'm so glad to see you guys here, and we are into the month of July, and that means that we've got some more heat that is dropping this month. And with that said, it also means that the 1K giveaway has come to an end. The winner was announced on July 1st, and the winner that was randomly selected is Caden. And from talking to Caden, this sounds like it will be his first Jordan 1 sneaker. So Caden, shout out to you, man. I hope you really enjoy the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago Black Toes and rock them all summer. But I also want to take this time to thank everyone that did enter the giveaway. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for your constant support and encouragement, and I really do hope to do more giveaways down the line and give back to you guys. But now let's get into the review of the Jordan 1 Low Shadow, starting with the unboxing, moving into the in-depth review of the materials on this sneaker, giving you guys an on-foot look, and then finally my verdict on whether you should shoot, hold, or pass on your shot at the sneakers. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Coming in a standard black box for Jordan 1 Lows with a gold foil Jumpman on the top and the number 23 and a smaller Jumpman on the sides. Upon flipping the lid open and resting inside tissue with all over gold 23 print, the lows come as is with no other dressings. The month of June was a solid month for the Jordan brand in terms of releases. We got the Jordan 5 Top 3, the Jordan 6 Hair, and more recently the Jordan 11 Low Breads. And it's actually been really hot in Toronto, and so I've been rocking my Jordan 1 Low Gym Reds, a review I did drop a couple months back, and I have been keeping an eye out for other Jordan 1 Lows. And so that brings us to the sneaker of this video, which is the Jordan 1 Low Shadow. And when official images of the sneaker were released earlier this year, my interest was definitely piqued based on the colorway. It is a monochromatic sneaker, and most of my fits are pretty much black, white, and gray, as you can tell. And so my interest was definitely piqued, but I was also interested to get this pair in hand and definitely check out the materials. And so with that said, let's get into the in-depth review of the sneaker, starting from the front to the back and from the top to the bottom. Starting along the tip of the toe, we've got this black synthetic leather that is quite firm but smooth in texture. And moving to the shadow gray toe box, we've got some more synthetic leather and the standard 45 perforated holes on an Air Jordan 1. Moving into the lacing system, we've got these flat black laces that are weaving through 7 eyelets. And I guess you could swap out the laces with a pair of flat white laces, but for me, I definitely will be rocking this sneaker as is with the flat black laces. I just feel like it complements the sneaker really well and plays off that gray and black perfectly down the tongue, and so I'm really digging this look. And behind the laces, we've got a shadow gray nylon shoe tongue, and you'll notice a black fabric lace loop stitched into the tongue with the number 23 that is standard for all Jordan 1 Lows. And as we make our way to the top of the tongue, we have the Jumpman logo embroidered directly into the tongue in black. Sliding over to the midfoot, which is identical on both the medial and lateral sides, we've got some more white synthetic leather that feels a little bit more grainier to the touch. And in the center of the midfoot, we've got a one-piece smooth matte shadow gray Nike swoosh that wraps around the sneaker from the lateral to the medial side. Following the swoosh to the ankle, we've got this black leather paneling around the ankle area that brings us to the heel of this sneaker, where we've got the Jordan Wings logo embroidered directly into the black heel paneling in this shadow gray color. Inside the sneaker, we've got a gray fabric mesh sock liner and a black insole with the Jumpman printed on the heel in white. Moving to the bottom of the sneakers, we've got a solid white midsole along the whole sneaker with an incorporated air sole unit that does provide lightweight cushioning. And then for the outsole, we've got a solid shadow gray outsole made entirely of rubber and the standard traction patterns that you will find on all Jordan 1 highs, mids, and lows. But now's my favorite part of the video, where I finally get to throw these sneakers on feet, style them, and give you guys a closer look. As for sizing, the Jordan 1 Low is advised to fit true to size, and I'd agree. I picked up a size 9.5 US, which is my standard size, and these fit comfortably on my feet. These sneakers retail for $90 USD, and for us here in Canada, 120 Canadian, and they really didn't have an official release date. I guess worldwide retailers of the Jordan brand have been putting the sneaker out as they have been receiving them, and me personally, I did pick up my pair from Foot Locker Canada, and these really just popped up on the website, and I quickly scooped up a pair. And since these have sold out on Foot Locker Canada, and so as of right now, I'm not certain where to direct you guys in terms of retail value. And if you have seen these sneakers online, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below to let the community know if you have spotted them elsewhere. But they are available on the resale market, going for pretty much retail value. And so I've left a direct link in the description box below to StockX for you to check this pair out and potentially pick up a pair for yourself. But now it's a part of the video where I make my case for whether you should shoot, hold, or pass on your shot at these sneakers, with shoot being picking these sneakers up at their current retail value, hold being potentially waiting for these sneakers to go on sale or another opportunity to pick these sneakers up, and pass being that these sneakers might not be for me or for you, but for somebody else. And when it comes to the Jordan 1 Low Shadow, I say you shoot your shot. These are a play on the Jordan 1 High Shadows, which is a colorway I absolutely love, and so I can definitely respect the execution of the colorway on this sneaker. But would I rather have had the Shadow Lows in that colorway? Probably, but like I said, I don't mind the execution, and in fact this is a really versatile colorway given that it is in that black, white, and gray. This should give you wear throughout the summer and into other seasons and all year round. And so if you were looking for some pop of color for the summer, then these definitely are not it. But like I said, they are versatile in the colorway, so they should go with just about everything you own in your closet, and definitely will give you some more wear throughout the year. And when it comes to the materials on this sneaker, they aren't overly impressive, and it's what we have come to expect with Jordan 1 Lows. If you have a pair of the Gym Reds, then you can expect much of the same with the Shadows. And I personally am a proponent for economical sneakers, and at a price of $90 USD, I don't feel like you can go wrong. I feel like these are a sneaker you can run errands with, scuff up, and not really worry throughout the summer about any delicate materials that you might damage. And so for those reasons and all of the above, I say you shoot your shot. But now I'd love to hear from you guys. What are your thoughts on the Jordan 1 Low Shadow? Is this a shoot, hold, or a pass for you? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'd love to connect with you guys there. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed today's review, and if you really liked it, I hope that you will subscribe and join the community here on this channel, because we've got a lot more sneaker videos that are on the way. But that's all from me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for your time and support of this channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.